G'day guys. When your fan in your Barina inside the car only works on full speed, or any car, it's this part. I forgot to make the video when the car was here, but Kmart Tyre and Auto Mossman. No, it's not $450 to the young girl with the little baby. You ruthless bastards. Sickening. Anyway, yes, it's expensive. The part's $168. Okay? But no, it's not a lot of labour, Kmart, Tyre and Auto. I'm not here to dish out shit to Kmart, but there's not been a week go by this year and last where I've not seen something horrific from Kmart. And I love going to Kmart at 10 o'clock at night with my kids on a weekend and buying helicopters and Play-Doh and maybe a cushion. But why on earth people would go to Kmart for their cars is beyond me. Like, what are they doing doing cars? And they can't fix cars. I've seen it. So I particularly took this one, you know, nearly personally, and I didn't charge her labour because I pulled it out in 5 seconds while she was here, just to impress her and to make Kmart look just as bad as they really are. Okay, not enough they charge her $1,000 for a service that they didn't do anything. The air filter was never changed. It was completely blocked after 9,000 Ks. But anyway, back to the Barina. Yeah, it's an Opel GM Daewoo hybrid. The part's made in South Korea. The part is engineered to fail in GM's $1 trillion life of parts changing. Okay, we did call the Astra the $1 billion car. But yeah, there's not much you can do. And it's funny, actually, I rung up for aftermarket and they said it was $268 for a tried and shit one. So as I always say, get genuine or try genuine with most components first. And then if you know you don't want to pay $60 for an air filter, well, put a cheaper one in. But when it comes to these parts, genuine all the way. Okay, it's made in South Korea. It does look like a German part that I used to see, but a lot of manufacturers, when they move the factories, like Honda in Thailand, they'll begin to make their door lock actuators and their resistors in Thailand. These are designed to fail. They go on the BMWs too, very similar looking to a BMW. Okay, so yeah, there's not much labour. You'll find it tucked up, depending which country you're in, but above the passenger's knees or above the passenger's ankles about. On the floor, up above the end of the footwell, you'll see the connector and the 2 screws. You can even get a power driver in there and pull it out in 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So no, it's not $450. Kmart Tyre and Auto Mossman. By some fluke of luck, I hope you fucking see this. You make me sick.